So friends, we have seen how the blocking is going to happen on the portal, and what are the provisions, and how does it impact the recipient, the supplier, and the transporter. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next part of the presentation, which is on unblocking of EWB generation facility. The question naturally comes to your mind is, in case my facility has been blocked, can I have it unblocked? Okay, so the first condition for blocking is, in case the taxpayer fails to file returns for 2 consecutive periods, the EWB generation facility gets blocked. So by implication, if the taxpayer reduces the default period to less than two tax filing periods, that is, if he or she files a return for a particular month or 2 months, or maybe more if that is the case, and the default period gets reduced as a result of that to less than 2 tax filing return periods, their EWB generation facility will be unblocked. The second is, so we have already done this. Now, how does it come into force? In case you have made good your default period today, your facility to generate EWB will be restored the next day in normal course. However, there may be a situation that you have filed your return and you really need to immediately generate an EWB today itself, and today only you have filed the return. Now, do you have an option to update the block status? Yes. If immediately after filing the return, in case you want to generate an EWB, you will have to go to the EWB portal, go to the search section, and update the block status. I'll show you how it happens. So this is our GST portal. From the GST portal, you are aware that you can go to EWB system also. Now from here, you can navigate to EWB portal, click on proceed. And here under the search, you have an option of update block status. So please click on this and enter the particular GSTN for which you want to check the status. So I have one GSTN here right with me. Now you are required to enter the CAPTCHA also. So now you can see the status is showing us not blocked. Now this is also a very good system of checking the block or unblock status of another party. That is, in case you are trying to generate an EWB for your recipient in capacity of a supplier, or for your supplier in capacity of a recipient, or as a transporter, and in case you're not able to generate it and you want to check their status, you can actually do it using this facility, because you don't need to log on here. It is an open facility which is available to you. Now we have seen the status in case it is not blocked. In case it were to be blocked, this is the kind of screen you will be able to see. And then you can go to update unblock status from GST common portal link tab here. Click on this, and in case your default period has been taken care of, it will be immediately updated and you will be able to generate an EWB immediately. Now there is another way in which you can get the unblocking done. The jurisdictional officers have been given a power to unblock the EWB generation facility for a particular GSTN. Now this has to be done on the basis of a manual representation made by the taxpayer. So the taxpayer will be required to file a manual application in form GSTN EWB 05 to the tax officer. and they will have to give the reasons why this facility should be unblocked along with required documents if they need to attach to that, and file it before the jurisdictional officer manually. Now, in such a case, the taxpayer, depending on the merits of the application, will decide the case and issue an order online. Now, this order can be viewed online by the taxpayer. Another way it is to be communicated to the taxpayer is that an email and SMS of acceptance or rejection of the order will also be sent to their email ID or the mobile number. Now, in case you want to see the status of the order issued by the tax official, you have to go to the GST portal, log on, navigate to dashboard, services, user services, and in that list of view additional notices or orders, you'll be able to view the acceptance or rejection order for unblocking of EWB generation facility, which has been passed in relation to the application filed by you manually for unblocking of the generation facility.